Alrighty guys, we've got a donkey Stomper 200V-HG-2Pill driven into a 1200 HDB high drive base 12-pill. We'll do a little test review on it. And folks, all you need to drive a 12-pill is a 2-pill. You don't need a 1x2. The 12-pill is enough. The 2-pill is really enough to drive a good hot 2-pill and a good radio. There's plenty to drive a 12-pill, plenty to drive a 16-pill, and really enough to drive a 24-pill if you want it all to stay together. We're going to go straight through SWR through both of them to start with. Hello, audio 0. I want to show you what my radio's doing. Dead key on 1.7. Hello, audio, swinging 33.9. Alright, I'm going to leave the variable wide open. My 2-pill, I'll show you what the 2-pill's doing. Showing 11.6 dead key. Hello audio 295. That's going through the 12, so that's fine. We'll turn on the 12-pill. First we'll turn off the 2-pill. We'll see what the 12-pill's doing radio drive. Radio drive. Hello audio 516. That's good numbers. Alright, we'll turn on the 2-pill. We're going 2 into 12. I won't turn it on average here. I won't show you what it's keying. 220 watts is plenty. Alright, we're going to go over and look at our bird. 2500 watt PEP 12-pill. Yeah, we're on 15.5, okay? Hello, we're on actually 15.4 top. On the bird, worldwide, 25 in the corner, 25 in the corner, 25 in the quarter, 25 in the corner, 25 in the corner. Alright. 2 by 12 on 15.4. Hello audio, worldwide, we're 1,000 average almost. Hello audio, 29. Let's just say 2850 and 900 average. 2850, 900 average. That's all in the world this box needs to do. That's great numbers. And I don't know if you was driving a 1x2 and 2 or not. By the way, I put 4 pills in here and fixed your input and output resistors on the 4-pill section over by itself. Put your new combiner resistor and you blow 4 pills in. Alright, while we're doing this, we're going to go down to car voltage. I'm going to try to get it dead on 14. So you can see what it does on car voltage. Hello! I need to be a little bit lower. Let's see. I was going to try to fix it where it dropped down to 14. Hello! That's close enough. Alright, on 13.9, that's car voltage, okay? So this is more or less a reference. If everything's perfect, your meter's right, everything's car, it gives you close an idea what it should do in the vehicle. Car voltage on the bird, on the 2-pill. We're just going to run 2-pill first. LP car voltage. Hello audio, knocked it down to 258. Them little volts makes a difference. Alright, we're going to turn it back on. This is on car voltage, 13.9, 2500 on PP. Worldwide. It's up about 2250. Hello, worldwide. It's still plenty for a 12-pill. On the LP. Worldwide. 2300, 800, 750 average. 1, 2, worldwide. Say 2300, 750 average on car voltage. So that gives you an idea of what's up here, man. That's plenty for a 12-pill HG box. Folks, you got to keep in mind, and I was going to do a video of this and I still might print off a data sheet. The HGs were designed to be run on 12.5 volts, 100 watts PEP. So we're already running them hard anyway, so don't be trying to over accelerate them. All you need is a 2-pill, good radio, 2-pill and drive, keep your dead key down, SWR down. Like I said, my dead key is a little less than 250, 230. And should be good to go. We're back on radio. So we're back on car volts. I mean car volts. Hello audio. But you got the tune's a little bit off because of the driver. But you got to keep a hello. It gets a little sloppy because the reason why it's because, well, if you know how these LP works, I'll tell you here in a minute. Your pickup on your LP, you only got a sensor is only behind this and in front of this, so it don't show fire because it's missing what's in between when you use the driver. When you use the driver, it messes up the LP. The sensors don't read right. Hello, where you go? Worldwide. But she's all up and ready to go. Buddy, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, guys, remember these HGs, if you ever read the data sheet, 12.5 volts, 100 watts PDP. You run them like we run them, you're going to drop one once in a while. I mean, that's just the way it is. But I think you was running this one a little bit too hard, man. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend T in 018 Meters. Catch you later. Bye-bye.